In this video, I'm going to talk about starting a new PyCharm project, the print function, quotes, and strings. First, to start a new PyCharm project, you double-click on PyCharm to open it up. It'll bring you to this screen. You locate your projects folder at the top, right-click on it, choose New Python File. You're going to name the file. I'm going to title this one Hello World. Press Enter. Once you have a new file open, it'll be empty like this. You'll have the title that you named it, .py for Python. The first function that I'm going to use is going to be called print. It's a built-in function in Python. And as you see, once I start typing it in, it'll show me that there is a function available. That's PyCharm doing that. And it shows me the values it takes. Type in print, parentheses. I'm going to use double quotes. And I'll type in hello world. What this function does is it sends output to the console. So once you run it, you'll see the words hello world appear in the console view. To run it, you just go over to the run icon, which looks like a play button. I want to make sure this is set to current file. If it's not, you can choose it in the list and you place run. You look down to the console view and you see hello world. The other way to run it is if you right click here, you can choose run and hello world, and that will also run it. So I'm going to show you the different types of quotes now. We have double quotes, single quotes, and triple single quotes. The double quotes will allow you to type in anything in here and it'll print at the bottom. The reason when you wouldn't want to use double quotes is when your sentence has a single quote in it. For example, so in this sentence, this is Jim's desk, has a single quote in it. So we want to make sure our outer quotes are double quotes. So if I do this and I run it, it will play and show me this is Jim's desk, showing the quote. Now if I try this with single quotes, it's not going to let me do it. The reason for that is it thinks that the string is ending here at the first quote. So it thinks that this is Jim is the entire string, and then the rest of it, it thinks it's a variable or something else. So therefore, the rule of thumb is if you have any type of single quotes in your string, you're going to use double quotes on the outside. And the same holds true for if you have double quotes in your string. So if it's double quotes, you're going to use single quotes. So in this sentence, the word is hello. Hello is in double quotes, and the whole entire string is encapsulated in single quotes. So this will work. Now if I had put double quotes there on the outside, it would not work. It would end here. The word is blank. And then this, it believes, is a variable, and that's why it's a different color. So that does not work. You have to make sure that quotes are the opposite of whatever is contained within your string. The safest method is a new method offered in Python 3, which is the triple single quote. So I press the single quote 3 times. As you notice, the PyCharm IDE is going to create the last 3 quotes for me automatically, the ending 3 quotes, and then I can type within it. So I can say, let's see. So now I've typed a sentence It has both single quotes and double quotes. And it works because I have the 3 single quote option here. And when I hit play, you see that it works at the bottom. This is Jim's desk with a single quote, and the word is hello with double quotes. And it works as intended. The other option here, when we're printing, if we don't use quotes and we're doing just a number, that will work as well. If you just do the number by itself, it's going to convert that to a string and put 3. If I try to put it with a string, it's not going to work. It's going to fail. It's going to be asking you to cast it, and that will be another lesson that we'll go through. So once again, to cover what we did in this video, we opened a project by right-clicking on Projects, New Python File, created a new file. We titled it Hello World. We used the built-in function print, and as you notice, PyCharm colors it in this purple color. We put parentheses and then quotes, one of the 3 types, either double quotes, single quotes, or triple single quotes. We type in whatever string we want in the middle to be shown on the console view. We end the quotes, we end the parentheses, and then we hit the run button. Remember, this needs to be set to your project or current file for it to play. And then you'll see the output down here. Thank you for watching the video.